Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Luxury Intro Ideas. In the video, I have shown geometric wall paint design and ideas for your accent or feature wall. Geometric walls are very easy to paint. You can easily paint at your home by yourself. It is really fun to paint a geometric wall and also very easy way to create a very beautiful wall with lots of colors. People who love colors, geometrical walls can be a good option for them. In the video, we will discuss how you can easily paint a geometric wall at your home by yourself. Here are some steps you should follow for painting a geometric wall. Where you can paint a geometric wall, it can be any area of your home, like your living room, hall, a wall in your kitchen, or your bathroom, which you want to paint in geometric shapes. And if you are thinking that what type of shapes you can paint any type of shapes like triangles, rectangles, lines, sharpened lines, or simple circles on your walls and hexagonals. In the video, I have shown various type of designs which you can paint on your walls. Hopefully, you will like the designs. If you like the designs, do like and sure if you're new on this channel you can subscribe this channel for more such type of design and ideas. Now we will discuss how you can paint a geometric wall. In this line you should follow these steps. Step 1 is choose the color. In the video I have shown different type of color combination idea for you, and you can first of all you should choose the color which you want to paint on your wall, like it can be 2 colors, 3 colors, or more than 3 colors. It's totally dependent on your choice how many colors you want on your wall. So first of all choose those colors which you want to paint on your wall, and the next step is choose the design is very important factor. In fact you should first choose the design and after that choose color. So please change these steps. The first step is choose the design which you want to paint on your wall, and next step is choose the color combinations, and the third step is prepare the wall, clean the wall. If there have any poster or any other material, first of all clean those all material and make the wall ready to paint. And the next step is apply the base color. If you have chosen any base color you can apply it on your whole wall. But are if you are going to paint the section of your wall, then you can skip this step. Now make the pattern of design on your wall using tapes, because most of the geometric walls are painted using tapes. You can use a frog tape for making the design marker or pattern on your wall. First of all, tape the wall properly according to your design. Now the next step is prepare your paint. Open your containers and prepare your paint and brush. It is time to paint your wall. Paint the first section of your wall with one color, and first of all before painting you should tick the colors on the wall. And for that you can also use some softwares which are available in the market, just because it is best to first of all create a demo for your wall, because after painting the wall it is very difficult to remove those paints. So it is my personal advice, you should create a demo for your wall. It may be your computer uh, or your notebook. Your imagination can be good for creating a demo. Now tick these sections with various color combinations. Now after preparing all these steps, you can paint your wall now. Start with one color. paint these sections with one color and then another colors in the same way like other colors. After painting all these sections, wait for dry. When your wall dry up, then remove these steps. Now your wall is ready. Hopefully these steps will help you to paint your accent or feature wall properly. You can also write in comment section where you want to paint these geometric shapes in your bathroom, your kids room, or your office. Hopefully you will like the designs. Bye bye.